Hi everyone, this is Professor James. I just wanted to post a quick video update to walk you through the first project for Excel Chapter 1 in case you were absent today or if you just needed further clarification on what you're supposed to do. So the first thing you want to do is access those data files that I mentioned on the first day of class. If you don't already have them downloaded, you can get to them by just going to Blackboard, clicking Course Materials, and then scroll all the way down to Student Data Files. And from there, you'll just want to open up the Excel student data files. So if you click on that, it's going to download, and the download takes a minute. So I am going to just open it up because I already have it saved. So this is what the folder looks like. It'll say data files, and then you'll see all of these files and folders on there. And if you look in the book on page 3 of the Excel book, at the bottom it tells you to open up EL2C1. So you want to scroll down to EL2C1, and you'll want to open that folder up, and you'll see a number of different Excel files listed in that folder. So when you get to Project 1A on page 5, it'll tell you to open up VRPay October 20th. That's the file that it wants you to open, and you'll see that that is right here. So you can double click on that and open that file up. And you're going to make some conditional formatting manipulations to this file. So you're going to want to follow the instructions word for word in the book on what to do. And hopefully your screen doesn't look like that when you open it. Okay, there it is. So this is what the file is going to look like when you open it. Now the instructions say you're going to want to select the range L6 through L23. So L6 starts here and L23 is down here. So you're going to want to click and drag, or if you're on a Mac, you can click the mouse and select holding down the shift button. That'll do the same thing. You'll select that entire range it asks you to select, and then from there it tells you that you need to go to the Styles group of the Home tab. Now this is on a Mac, so Excel is going to look slightly different on a Mac, but as you can see, conditional formatting is right here at the top. And you're going to want to select Highlight Cell Rules, like the book says, and then click on Less Than. Now from there, it's going to bring up this box, and this is again slightly different on a Mac, but you're going to want to select where it says light red fill with dark red text. You're going to want to change that to green fill with dark green text. And you're going to want to type in 10.50 in this box, so the cell value that's less than 10.50. And you can click OK, and then you deselect the range. So it applied that green formatting to anything that was less than $10.50. So now you're just going to want to make sure that you save this. So if you go to File and Save, the way that I want you to do this is make a folder. So under your desktop or on a flash drive, you're going to make a folder that is called Excel Chapter 1 Projects 1 through 6. So I'm going to go on my desktop and I am going to create a folder. So new folder, I'm going to call it Excel Chapter 1 Projects 1 through 6. And that's on my desktop. And now when I go in to save this, I'm going to do a Save As. And the book tells you to save this as 1-Excel and then VR pay October 20th as it is, and you want to save it in the folder that we just created. So I'll do desktop for now, and then I will go onto my desktop and find that file there and drag it into the Excel Chapter 1, Projects 1 through 6. So that is how you complete Project 1A. What you're going to want to do is do all of the projects. So Project 1B asks you to use this same file, so you'll just reopen this file and you'll save the final file for for Project 1B. But when you're done, you're going to have a number of files saved in this Excel Chapter 1 Projects 1 through 6 folder that you created. And the way that you upload it to Blackboard is you go to the file and you are going to want to compress it. Now, you right click, and if you're on a Mac, it's just going to say compress. If you're on a Windows, you're going to need to send, it's going to say send to, and then it'll say compressed zip folder from there. So once you compress the folder, this is the file that you will upload to Blackboard. When you're done, it will have all of your files on it. So you'll, excuse me, when you finish, you'll go to Course Materials, and you will go into Excel Projects, and you'll see Excel Projects Chapter 1, and it tells you need to submit 1 through 6. You will go to Browse, and you will find the zip folder. So this is the zip folder, and of course it's going to have more than just this one file in it, and that is what you will upload. So this is going to be due on Tuesday the 21st, so this coming Tuesday, and then we'll have some in-class work time on Tuesday to start the projects for Chapter 2. Those will be due on Thursday. I hope this helps to clear it up. I am also going to provide written instructions in case you learn better that way. So let me know if you have any additional questions, and I will look forward to seeing you all on Tuesday. Thanks.